beauty family, welcome back in my another video. Today's video I want to share with you this important topic because on my Instagram many people message me and email me that this is their circumstances are their specific person is not talking to them, or there is third party involved, or they want to manifest a job they do not have, or the money they want they do not have. My friend, you need to understand that in the eye of God, in the eye of infinite intelligence, okay, no circumstance that is big or small, all circumstances are equal and all of them are malleable, all of them are changeable. All of these circumstances are constantly can turn around in your favor, and that is possible for you because in this infinite reality there is reality exists where you have your desire. Currently, since you are in that reality where you do not have your desire, it doesn't mean you cannot have the reality where you want to have. The only thing you need to make the shift within you so you can jump from here reality to here, like a quantum jump, okay? And that is possible. That is 100% possible because I personally have given so many people successful result in even their difficult circumstances are. So I know that it is 100% possible and you are going to manifest whatever you want, need and desire. It is 100% possible for you, okay? And how things are gonna change for you when you're gonna stop, first thing, when you're gonna stop seeing your circumstance that it is something big. It is not something big, trust me, it is not something big, because I personally manifested so many big things. I remember when I was starting my business, okay, and I was leaving my job, okay, stable job, and my friend circle, my parents were like, oh, and you are not gonna get success in business and blah blah blah. That all turned out wrong. Today I am extremely successful in my business and I have exactly the kind of the kind of lifestyle I wanted to live, the kind of whatever financial stability kind of I wanted. Even in my relationship, the exact changes which I wanted, today I have. Even I manifested my specific person. In my specific person situation, initially the situation was difficult, but still I was able to manifest him fully and completely. How it's all possible? The reason, because in my mind I know that circumstances, they do not matter. Doesn't matter what is the situation is. Every situation is changeable and it is all gonna change on the basis of you. If you are constantly, because here you are the constant, and if you're constantly keeping thinking, feeling, believing in the old way where you do not have your desire, you are struggling, people are saying to you, you're believing all of them, then you are gonna stuck in that reality. If you want to get out of that reality, you want to shift into the reality where you have everything you want, need and desire, it's a high time that you need to take action. And the action is not something you have to take outside, it's an internal shift. You have to take action to make an internal shift. I do not know how you're gonna make it because every person is different. That's another thing. If you are coming for my personal coaching, there I'm gonna guide you. But if you're doing by yourself, you have to check how you operate. You have to check how you think, feel, believe, and how your brain operate, how you operate, and accordingly make the change and shift in you. If you're gonna make the change and shift in you, you're gonna have your desire. And another thing you can do if you do not want to make change and shift in that way, just start looking at what is my highest version look like. If currently I have my desire, what I'm doing, how I'm believing, how I'm thinking, and start aligning your thoughts, your feeling, your behavior with that kind of version to you. When you're gonna do it, you're gonna see how quickly, how powerfully your circumstance really start changing, and you are going to experience that now you have your desire, either it's job, it's relationship, love, money, success, whatever that is, all that is gonna come to you. And I'm speaking from my own personal experience because I have manifested in my life every single thing I ever wanted. So I know it is 100% possible. Thank you.